In today's video, we're going to be going over a few different ways you can measure your internet speed. Now, one way, you can go ahead and go to Google, and just Google Speed Test, and they got this nice little box here. And they've partnered with MLab so you can test your speeds. Just press Run Speed Test, and boom, pretty accurate. Now, for note, I do have AT&T fiber with gigabit connection, and this computer is wired directly into the fiber gateway, so this is about what I was expecting. And also, I have no one else in the network at the moment, so it's pretty dang fast. The next way you can check is with your ISP's thing, and keep in mind, not saying anything, but they might be biased since it's their own stuff. You can just go ahead and use theirs, built in. And yeah, it does appear to be a little bit faster than the other speed test, but now it seems to be slowing down. But that's just one way you can do it. But still, it's around what we were expecting. And it'll measure download and upload pretty easily. And another method is to use fast.com, which is one of my other favorites, since they use the Netflix servers. And this way you can kind of tell it's less biased because it's the third-party company. You can see my download's about 860. So they're all about the same, When the speeds get this fast, they tend to fluctuate a little bit more. But there's 3 ways you can help measure your internet speed. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe.